Now try to convert 55 whole number 1/2% to decimal. You can pause the video and try this yourself. Compare your results with the answer gotten at the end of this video. Solution. First step is to bring this into improper fraction, and then you have 2 multiplied by 55 plus 1/2 percentage. 2 times 55 will give you 110 plus 1/2%, and this will give you us 111/2%. Now let's bring this to a fraction. We multiply by 1/100. So that is, we have 111/2 multiplied by 1/100. And this will give us 111/200. Now we have it as a fraction. Let's bring it to decimal. So we are dividing 111 by 200. And 200 and 111, that's 0. 0 times 200 will give us 0. Subtract, we have 111. Now the decimal point here adds a 0 to this point. And 200 out of 1,110, that will only be 5 places, because 5 times 200 will give us 1,000. So we have 5 here. So 5 times 200 will give us 1,000. When we subtract, we have 110. 110. Now, 200 and 110, remember the decimal point has to give us a 0 here. 200 out of 1,100, that is also 5. And then 5 multiplied by 200 will give us 1,000. When we subtract, we have 100. Now another 0 to this, and then 200 in 1,000, that is 5. And then 5 times 200 will give us 1,000. Now the difference is 0. Therefore, 55.5% equals our answer here, which is 0.555. I believe you have also arrived at this answer. Good job. Now you have mastered how to convert from percentages to decimal.